Hey, welcome back to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today, we're making a barbecue staple, cornbread. First thing we're going to do is put all our dry ingredients into one bowl here. So we got our flour, cornmeal, baking powder, baking soda, salt. And I'll give that a mix to incorporate all those. In a separate bowl, we're going to add all our wet ingredients. First thing we're going to add is 1 egg. Scramble it a little bit. We're going to add canola oil, melted butter, half milk, half heavy cream, lukewarm. Start mixing that, and we're going to add in warm honey. Mix the whole time you're pouring that in so it doesn't settle right to the bottom. Now we take our dry ingredients and we will pour in our wet ingredients. Incorporate these just so all the dry ingredients are now moist. Don't over stir it. Sometimes I like to take a spatula and just scrape the bottom, make sure that there's nothing dry. Now we'll take a baking dish. You can use an aluminum pan, you can use a cast iron pan. I'm going to pour this in. Use the spatula to help scrape the bottom. Now you can turn the oven on to 375 degrees. Let this settle for about 10-15 minutes while the oven heats up. This will help smoothen it all out before we put it in the oven. 25 minutes, we'll have a look. You can see it's starting to turn golden brown and starting to pull away from the edges. Take our Thermopro Lightning and we'll check the internal temp. That's good. This is done. We'll let this sit out on the counter for about 15 minutes. This cornbread is cooling down. We just pulled it out a minute ago. We're going to put on our first glaze and do a couple of them. We'll do a couple coatings on this. This will probably take about 20 minutes to cool down. Every 5 minutes we'll just reapply this glaze. It's worth it in the end. Well, we let it rest for 20 minutes. Every 5 minutes we glaze it with our honey butter glaze. It's excellent. You got to do it that way. Sets up nicely. I mean, look at this. Knife glides right through it. Look at that. Nice corner piece. Nice golden brown on the edges. Moist inside, it's not all crumbly. That's the way to do it. I like cornbread when you can actually take a bite of it and not choke on it. Excellent. That honey butter glaze on the top. Excellent. So good. There you have it. That's our video. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We have more videos coming out every week. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Threads, YouTube, of course. Go to crackscountrycooking.com. We got our recipes there. You can buy seasonings and rubs on there. Bring this to a barbecue. Everybody's going to be wanting the recipe. It's excellent. You look like a hero. All right. See ya. Dinner time.